everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. I'm also fine here. So this is the continuation of the part 1 video. Check out the part 1 video for the rest of the recipe. So let's begin with the chicken curry. First, roast the spices. Here I am taking 3 tablespoons of coriander powder and 2 tablespoons of chilli powder. Roast it till the raw flavor goes. Now heat the pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil into it. Now add the whole spices into it, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, cloves and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Now saute it for 30 seconds. Now add onion, 2 large onion. Now saute it well till it becomes transparent. Let's add few curry leaves into it. Saute it well and also 2 green chilies. Now goes in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it till it becomes fragrant. Once it turns to fragrant, let's add the turmeric powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then goes the chicken pieces. Mix it well. Let it combine very well. And close the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Adding chicken in the beginning will not make the chicken break while cooking. It will be very stiff like a chicken fry. Now goes chopped tomatoes. Here I am using 2 large tomatoes. Now add enough salt into it. Give it a good mix. And let's cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Till the tomatoes and onions becomes soft. Now the tomatoes have completely softened. Let's add the roasted masala into this. Now mix well and let it cook for another 5 more minutes. Now to adjust the sourness, let's add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and give it a good mix. After well mixing, let's add a grinded coconut paste into it. Here I have taken half cup of coconut wraps for 1 kg chicken. Now add some water to adjust the consistency and not to waste the coconut paste. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala into it and cook till the chicken is done. It will take approximately 10 minutes to cook. Now the chicken curry is ready. Let's finish it by adding some chopped coriander leaves. Now the curry is ready. For this curry we are preparing appam, that is NEHIPATHAL. For that we already soaked the rice. Let's grind the rice. Before that, strain the water. Now to the grinder add sliced onion. Here I am using half of 1 onion. Then goes rice. We need not to add water now itself. Add half cup of coconut. Now add enough salt into it. We don't want to grind this into a fine paste. Now add 1 teaspoon of fennel seed and let it grind for 5 more minutes. Scrape the side so that it will be grinding equally. Now it's done. The consistency in right proportion. It is not so smooth also. Now let's switch off the grinder. You can see this. Now it's perfect. Let's prepare the appam. Spread a cotton cloth and make a desired size of a ball and flatten with your fingers as I am doing here. Don't worry about the shape. In the beginning you will not get the perfect shape. By practicing you will get the shape. Now let's drop this appam into the oil. The oil should be very hot so that we will get a good appam or pattal. You can see how it become. Now flip it to other side and cook it for 1 more minutes. Again flip it to other side and just cook for 30 seconds. Now get it out. Now the NEHIPATHAL is ready. Continue the same method with the leftover dough. Now as a tip, if the batter become watery, add some more rice flour into it and mix it well and prepare the NEHIPATHAL. We will get a soft, smooth and fluffy NEHIPATHAL. Sometime the pattal will get break, that is because of adding more onion. So add less onion so that you will get a perfect pattal. Now let's move on to the chicken fry. Once the oil is heated, add the chicken pieces into it. The marination process is in the part 1 video. So do check out the first part. We'll be sharing the link in the description below, or you can check the iCard above. Once the chicken is cooked well, let's get it out. Approximately we need 7 to 8 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil into it. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it well. Saute it for a minute. Now add few curry leaves into it. Give it a good mix and add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. Saute it till the raw smell goes. Now let's add half cup of capsicum, finely sliced capsicum. You can also use red or yellow bell pepper. Now let's add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of chilli garlic sauce and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Give it a good mix. After sauteing for 1 minute, let's add the chicken pieces into it. Keep the flame in medium and cook it till it becomes completely dry. It will take like 5 to 6 minutes. Now it's perfectly cooked enough. The chickens are crisp enough. Switch off the flame. For refreshment, I served a watermelon juice. A simple method of watermelon juice. Just added a watermelon and sugar with few mint leaves. The juice is ready. Serve chilled. For salad, I served a simple salad. Sorry, I could not record the video. You can also check my healthy salad recipe. Will be posting in the description below. Kids are very busy watching cartoons. They are enjoying very well. Dinner is served and the guest also happy. Hope this video is helpful for those who have confused that what to prepare and how to prepare. Now moving to the cleaning part. One more tip I would like to say that when you have more dishes to clean, take a big vessel and put the cleaned dishes into this, so that the kitchen will not look messy and it will be very clean very soon. So in this way I organize everything when the guests are coming. Hope this video will be helpful for those who have confusion in preparing the dinner. Now it's your turn. If you enjoy this video, now click the like button, which makes me happy, and do share with your contacts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get the instant notification. We'll see you soon with more such interesting videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.